All around the world, consumers are calling for greater environmental responsibility from producers and manufacturers. Global cotton merchant Olam Agri, partnering with its farmers and processors, has embraced sustainability improvements for more than 15 years.
So overall, that plant there looks very healthy.
The industry leadership has delivered positive benefits.
Research has found, and ground experience has found, that cotton grown in a more sustainable way, minimizing the use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides, minimizing water use, and maximizing organic inputs can have benefits for yields, can have benefits for farmer incomes and for net profits of the farm, and have huge benefits for nature.
The company works closely with end users to understand their needs and nurture better processes for more ongoing improvement.
As a whole, Olam Agri is now more than ever connecting with the brands and connecting with retailers to understand what the consumer, preferences are. And then, of course, the visibility to that information is what is helping us drive that change at a production level.
In central Queensland, Australia, they're growing varieties resistant to pests, dramatically reducing the use of pesticides. Ground moisture monitoring and timely irrigation has reduced water use by up to 50%, even allowing for some fun. Solar electricity powers the water pumps and maintenance workshops. Off-season planting of hay crops adds organics to the soil and improves water holding capacity. And by feeding natural bacteria in cotton trash, they've produced a high-performing fertiliser. Cost-effective and better than chemicals.
All the micronutrients that are involved in this, to buy synthetically, you'd have to mix probably 15 different nutrients together to get something, which would be, you'd cost thousands.
The streamlined and sustainable practices have over the years helped cotton yields increase in some cases by up to 30%. The value of sustainable farming is also recognised on the other side of the world, in the crops of the Ivory Coast, West Africa. Farmers here rely on simple methods like oxen to prepare the fields, manual labour, and rainfall rather than irrigation. Despite weather challenges, the farmers have recorded improvements. They give credit to the training and expert sustainability advice provided by Olam Agri.
L'idée, c'est qu'ensemble, nous puissions mettre en place des techniques de production durable. Et c'est ce que nous faisons depuis plusieurs années, qui fait qu'aujourd'hui, Olam est l'un des leaders en termes de proposition de coton durable sur le marché.
Here, Olam Agri provides soil analysis along with advice on soil correction and fertilisation. It has shown farmers how to reduce the use of pesticides and, as it has done elsewhere, taught them to make natural fertiliser. Olam Agri advises on machinery suited to the farm's conditions and provides a call centre for accessing rainfall data to help farmers plan their planting. Environmental improvement and increased productivity and profitability are all rewards for Olam Agri's commitment to sustainability globally and to the farmers' livelihoods.
Toutes les actions sont retranscrites, tous les champs sont géoréférencés et ça nous permet de calculer avec beaucoup plus de précision notre empreinte carbone et nous espérons réduire cette empreinte-là au fil des ans grâce à des technologies encore plus adaptées au changement climatique.
That traceability also helps satisfy manufacturers and their consumers who want to feel confident that their spending supports the environment.
When they look back on traceability of where we are, see what we're doing and how sustainable we try and grow it, I suppose, it creates a really good picture for the cotton industry. Long term, I think it's a real bonus.